Hello, Ebusiafo. Me sure that a woman here, our friend Yvonne Chaka Chaka. She's popularly known for this song.
Umqombothi, Umqombothi.
But unfortunately, 90% of Ghanaians, the way I get to know me, are extremely wrong. Yes, and then one funny call mortuary. Roma Fade, one funny call mortuary. But unfortunately, these are wrong lyrics. In fact, this woman, this weekend now in Ghana, she was on stage to express her gratitude, especially to DJs. But anyway, she brought some fans on stage and what shared the Ghana in them. I brought what in a very nice wrong way. But anyway, according to research this song is not about mortuary, it's about African beer. And some processor was a reader not trade or today ahi another asana. But a South African version or Borof. Into this song, it's not about one final mortuary, but it's about African beer. And so, woman wa Ghana into yesterday not show na to one final mortuary. Waswa be show rough.
All the line. It be set up.